feel like it's below zero, but some sun will return. Highs only in the teens. Tomorrow night we drop into the single digits. Saturday sunny, not quite as harsh. Right now it's 21 and snowing. Humidity 81%. The wind northeast 14 miles per hour. Snow repeating the current temperature 21. We're headed down to 14 in Midtown. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Tara Babinski on New York's weather station, 1010 WIND.
When news time 10:53, the once and again commish. Next on 1010 WIND.
If you're looking for the best ride, pick up the line, dial 777-777 pounds. For comfort and style, on which you can rely, dial your 777-777 pounds. Big Daddy, if you need a ride, dial 212-777.
Drivers, welcome.
Did you know that if you have your female dog or cat spayed before her first heat, it can greatly reduce the risk of developing mammary tumors later in life? And spaying before the first heat is an easier surgery with quicker recovery. In addition, male cats and dogs fixed before 5 months are far less likely to develop prostate cancer and behavioral problems like spraying and marking. So beat the heat. Have your pet fixed by 5 months of age. It's good for them and eliminates the risk of unwanted pregnancies. Learn more at beat-the-heat.org.
When news time 10:54, Bill Bratton took the oath of office as police commissioner for a second time today.
Veterans of the department and some of its newest recruits are on hand for Bill Bratton's swearing in. He spoke frankly about reforming stop and frisk, but he says it's a shared responsibility.
The public have an obligation, working within their communities, with their kids, with their families, to help us.
He's going to emphasize crackdowns on street gangs, especially in public housing.
That's 1010 WIND reporter Juliet Papa. When news time 10:55, Money Watch in a minute on 1010 WIND.
Now a commercial message. Hi, I have with me Max McCullen from Boston Medical Group. He has a doctorate in human sexuality and works with doctors who specialize in treating men with ED caused by diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol. So Max, what's the great news?
Thanks for having me. Well, the great news is that Boston Medical Group